guys? It's CC and Children's Pizza 2008, aka CC Disney here, and I got a package! Okay, so I finally get it out, so we're gonna open it and see what it is. Okay, now I got the first one open, now time for the second one. Come on! Wait. I can use my hands for this. There you go, I got the second one open, now time for the third one. This is hard for some reason. I think I got it. Okay, here we go. So, this is the Disney XD notebook that I ordered. And for me, this notebook is kind of cool. So, let me put this away. Play this. I can't. I'm so sorry, guys. I was being too dramatic. But anyways, here's the front. And here's the back with all of the Disney XD logos. And that's it. And you can see the opening of this. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is CC and Children's Pizza Fan 2008. aka CC Disney signing off.